doesn't want to talk to you.
Please, I'm trying to listen to your lung.
Where are you going?
To the proof store.
You were right about Nicole.
About me not caring? Not so.
It wasn't her mom, it's her. She doesn't want to talk to you.
Please, I'm trying to listen to your lungs and your self-pity. Cancer can wait. Hey, heading out to the yard. Mind trying to find me a cricket?
Do a swap trick? You don't think that'll piss off your celly even more? And he figures it's a different bug.
Press it the same, like in Vertigo.
Oh, it's right. But they spray so much pesticide. I'm surprised we're alive.